triangle here, we have distance always on the top, S times T. Now, I'm trying to hopefully make this as easy as possible. If I'm solving for distance, what key words am I looking for? What kind of question are you going to get? How far? Please write this down. How far? So when you read how far, you're solving for distance. Speed. Speed is how fast. That's why we write it down right now. So when you read how fast, it might tell you what is the speed. So it's not going to tell you how fast. It just tells you what is the speed. And, well, that's, okay. Okay, last one is time. To me, this is the most confusing one, but it's how long. Because sometimes you read the word long and you think it's a measurement. Like, oh, how long is the ruler? 12 inches. But it's how long does it take you? All right? So we're going to be doing a worksheet that's going to ask you for all three. It's all mixed up. Did anybody get the worksheet yesterday? No. You know the worksheet.
We got like 5-ish, maybe even 10.
No, we got like 16.
The time to speed distance. You give us too much work, just saying.
No, that one's past tense. Hey.
Okay, if you need your triangle, have it out. If you need your notes, do not close your notes. All right, Alexa, let's focus on this.
That's a lot of writing. I'll take you.
You don't write anything. It's a lot of reading, not writing.
I'll take you.
All right. Number 1. Let's read number 1. It says, I jogged at a speed of 12 miles per hour. If I jogged for 2 hours, how far did I go? What am I solving for?
How long? Not like how far.
Distance, because it says how far. Now I use my triangle, cover up the D, and distance is equal to speed times time. Now, I cannot Ariel stress this enough. I feel like the more words you use, the easier the math becomes when finding your units. So my speed is 12 miles per hour. Notice how I wrote everything out, miles per hour. And then what is my time? 2 hours. And I'm going to write the word hours. Now, the reason I spell it all out is because if a word repeats, you can cross it out. So what word repeats? Hours. So I'm going to cross out the hours. Okay? And I'm going to cross out the multiplication and the per. Okay? What's the only word that does not repeat? Miles, which means you're going to use it in your answer. Whatever words do not repeat are the words we use. Okay, now let's do the math. What's 12 times 2? 24. And what's the word that doesn't repeat? So my answer is 24 miles is my distance. Distance is equal to 24 miles. Now, if you don't repeat a word, use them all. If you're solving for speed, how many words do I need for speed? 3. One of them is per. Okay, ready, set, go.